guys, myself Saloni Chathani, and today we are going to solve one question of computer oriented numerical methods, and the question is estimate the figures in following data using operator delta and e. The data is 1,01, 2,08, 3, question mark, 4,064, 5, question mark, 6,0216, 7,0343 and 8,0512. The solution of this question is taking only essential elements from the data set is that is 2,8, 4,64, 6,216, 8,512. We have taken the 4 pairs of data from this following data set, and those pairs are 2,8, 4,64, 6,216 and 8,518. We have to find 3, question mark and 5, question mark. Firstly, we have written all the values of x and y in this pair. Then we have written the values of x and y in the tabular form, that is x 2, 4, 6, 8 and y 8, 64, 216 and 512. Then we will find the value of del of fa, del square fa and del cube f of a. So del fa equals to 64 minus 8 equals to 56. Then 216 minus of 64 equals to 152. Then 512 minus 216 equals to 216. Then 152 minus 56 equals to 96. That is the value of del square f of a. And 216 minus 152 equals to 144. That is also the value of del square f of a. Then del cube f of a equals to 144 minus 96 equals to 48. Here we will stop. Then we have to find the value of 3, question mark. So f of 3 we have to find. So for f of 3, a plus hu equals to 3, because Newton forward difference formula says that f of a plus hu equals to f of a plus u upon factorial 1 del f of a plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square f of a plus u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon factorial 3 into del cube f of a, and so on. So here we have to find f of 3, that is a plus hu equals to 3. So a plus hu equals to 3. A equals to 2 because the first term of x is equals to 2. So a equals to 2. And the difference is also equals to 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8. So h is also equals to 2. So we will put the values of a plus h in this equation. So 2 plus 2u equals to 3. So 2 plus 2u equals to 3. So by solving it, we will get the value of u, which is equals to 0.5. Then from Newton forward difference formula, a plus hu equals to 3. Formula equals to f of a plus u into del f of a upon factorial 1 plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square f of a plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon factorial 3 into del cube f of a, and so on. So the value of f of a equals to 8. X to y equals to 8. So f of a equals to 8, first value. Del f of a equals to 56, this value. Then del square f of a equals to 96, this value. And del cube f of a will be equals to 48, this. And u we have find it, that is 0.5. Now by putting these values in Newton forward difference formula, a plus hu equals to 3, so f of 3 equals to f of 2, that is first value. Then 0.5 upon factorial 1 as u equals to 0.5 into 56, that is del fa. Then 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 upon factorial 2 into 96, that is del square f of a. Then 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 upon factorial 3 into 48, that is del cube f of a. Then f of 2 equals to 8, 0.5 into 56 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 equals to minus 0.5 into 96 upon factorial 2 equals to 2. Then 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 equals to minus 0.5, and 0.5 minus 2 equals to minus 1.5 upon 6, that is factorial 3 into 48. Then 8 plus 28 minus 12 plus 3 equals to 27. So f of 3 is equals to 27, which is equals to our answer. Then we will find the value of f of 5. So a plus hu will be equals to 5. 2 plus 2u equals to 5 because a equals to 2, that is first value, equals to 2, and h equals to 2 because 2, 4, 6, 8, so difference equals to 2, so h equals to 2. So by substituting the values of a and h in this equation, we will get the value of u equals to 1.5. 1.5. So Newton forward difference formula, f of a plus hu equals to f of a plus u upon factorial 1 del f of a plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square f of a plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon factorial 3 del cube f of a. So f of a equals to f of 2, which is equals to 8. U we have find it, that is 1.5. Del f of a equals to 56. Del square f of a equals to 96. And del cube f of a equals to 48. By putting these values in Newton's formula, f of 5, that is a plus hu, equals to 8, that is f of a, f of 2, 1.5 upon factorial 1 into 56, this is del f of a, this is u, plus 1.5 into 1.5 minus 1 upon factorial 2 into 96, that is del square f of a, plus 1.5 into 1.5 minus 1 into 1.5 minus 2 upon factorial 3 into 48, that is del cube f of a. Then 8 plus 1.5 into 56 plus 1.5 into 0.5, that is 1.5 minus 1 upon 2, that is factorial 2 into 96, plus 1.5 into 0.5, that is 1.5 minus 1 into minus 0.5, that is 1.5 minus 2 upon 6, that is factorial 3 into 48. Then 8 plus 84 plus 36 minus 3 equals to 125. So the value of f of 5 will be equals to 125, which is equals to our answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you out.